Welcome to Dino American Foreigner in the Philippines YouTube channel. She has a pretty smile.
No.
So this is an introduction to my next video. Please subscribe, click the like button, leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.
Thank you.
Alright, so it's been almost 3 weeks since I actually been able to post a video on YouTube. The reason why is because we transferred or relocated to a different house that we rent now, or I rent now. And it's less expensive. It's $12K a month instead of $20K. So that's a big deal there, especially when you're on a monthly pension. But over here we have actually some plants and things, which are kind of nice to have. This is called a malunggay tree. Supposedly that's the answer for horseradish here in Philippines. And we got a couple of pretty plants right over here. The story about this is October 3, planning on moving to this house that I'm renting now, and to transfer here on October 7. So I contacted my ISP internet service provider and said, hey, I'm going to be moving on October 7. I want to schedule a transfer of service. Okay, well, they said fine. They created a ticket for relocation for me, and I thought everything was good. So we get here on October 7 and nobody shows up from the ISP, which is pldt. And so I contacted pldt customer care line. They set up a repair ticket. Technician came out on October the 8th, which was a Friday. He thought he fixed a couple of wires outside for the fiber. The problem was we had a brownout at the time, so he couldn't really work on it very well. So he told me to go back over to the office in Butuan City and schedule a relocation ticket. So I went there on October 13th, and I was calling every day to find out what's going on to the customer care line, at least once, sometimes 2 times a day. You hear the kids in the background, they're out in the street playing right now. So on October 13, I go and I sit there for 2 hours waiting to go in because of the coronavirus, COVID-19 or China virus, whatever you want to call it. Finally get to go in and they're like, okay, no problem. So they do all the paperwork for me and they went what like to call it endorse. Basically they sign off on the paperwork. So I call in on the 14th, no relocation ticket yet. Relocation ticket did not get created until October 16th. I've been here since October 7th, so now that's like what, 8 days? So I keep calling in every day and every day and every day, and they keep saying, oh, we're escalating it, we got you on priority, and we're endorsing the ticket, and it's supposed to be with the technical support people, yada, 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 yada. So today is like October 29th. Yesterday, October 28th, they finally came out and fixed it. It was actually a simple fix because I brought my own modem box with me anyway, just like you would in the US. Take your modem box with you to the new address. Alright, so October 24 was a Saturday, so I contacted the local tech that came out on October 8th and mentioned it to him. I said, hey, this stuff isn't working, people aren't coming out here. He said he'll call the office. So lo and behold, on Sunday I called again, October 25, to the customer care line, of course. It's with the dispatch people for the technicians. I'm like, okay, so when is this going to get fixed? This is October 25 when I called, and no internet until October 7, 18 days. So finally, October 28th, what is that? 7th to 28th. Oh yeah, 21 days, 3 weeks, no internet. So I've been having to buy a load for my phone to actually be able to access anything on the internet or watch YouTube videos that I can't upload. So now we've got internet is back. They relocated my box. The only thing they really had to do, which is just the same thing that you do in the US, you call when you move to the other house, you call customer care. You explain to them, hey, I moved to a different place. They ask you the new address. They activate your modem for you and everything is cool. So that was the only problem. So I wait 3 weeks for this to happen, for somebody to do that. And by the way, I had 3 people here yesterday, technicians. Larry, Moe, and Curly. And so, yeah, all this could have been taken care of 3 weeks ago, right after I first moved in. But that didn't happen. So I've got some video that will explain more of it about the technicians. They did a good job. They were very good. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and click that like button. That would be great. Thank you.